Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, the Andre H00, and I'm here with the Walmart pickups. I just bought. Let's take a look at them. First, we have Elite 17, Mankind. Alright, see the back here. These are the back. First time in the line. I already have Kelly Kelly, and then the rest of the superstars I don't have. Except for one more. See the other one? This Elite 17, John Cena. Pretty awesome figure. Looks pretty cool. Can't wait to open it. Yep. Here's the front. And here's the back. So, yeah, Walmart pickups. And thanks for subscribing. Please subscribe, like, and comment.